welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. I'm back. It's been an awesome trip in Washington at Deer Lake. I mean, if you saw the pictures at Deer Lake that I posted on Facebook, I mean, there's over 275 pictures and videos of the event. I mean, I'm still smiling. I'm still reeling. It was incredible. The classes were incredible. The students were amazing. The weather was hot. I mean, I got a sunburn, but that's okay. I turned golden brown after I sunburned, so we're good. But the event was nothing like I've ever done before. Just the fact that it was an all-inclusive, like literally all-inclusive vacation retreat, and then I had to teach. I mean, breakfast, lunch, dinners, you name it, you needed it, they got it for you. Billy and the crew, I mean, Billy, you did an incredible job. Vanessa was our go-to. You needed it, Vanessa got it for you. And Chef Hunter and sous chef Sebastian, you guys knocked it out of the park with the food menu. And of course, my TA, Nikki, I cannot thank you enough for being by my side the entire time. And my sleep buddy. That was fun. I mean, it was an incredible event. We had such a good time. I will post pictures at the end of this video. Not too many, but just a few, because you know, a lot of people aren't on Facebook, so you won't get to see them. We had puppies come to the event. I had requested that Billy find puppies for me, so it was supposed to be like a puppy yoga thing, and I said, Billy, just bring me puppies. Forget the yoga. Let's just play with puppies. And she did. She made it happen. And we had puppies, and we got to play with puppies. It was so cute. But I mean, it's so exciting, and it was so much fun that I'm doing it again next year. My dates are already booked. My event is already booked, and the dates are for the exact same weekend of next year. So June 5th to 8th of next year. And I'm happy and so pleased to say that 10 of my students have rebooked for next year. So I already have 10 spots already booked up. And I believe Billy said there's a max of 16, which means there are only 6 spots left. And I haven't even announced it, to social yet, except for today. I mean, this is the first time I'm announcing it. So, I mean, if you are interested in booking one of those 6 spots for next year, you can email me and we'll get in touch with Billy and go from there. Because the link is not live yet. So, but I'm super stoked that 10 of these people are coming back. I mean, this is my group. These are my gals. I mean, look at this. This was the picture we took on the dock, along with the crew and the chefs and Billy and Vanessa and my TA Nikki. I mean, 10 of you are coming back. I'm so thrilled. I'm so thrilled. And then this was my apron for the entire event. Yes, there's not a speck of paint on it, except for that. Actually, no, that's not paint. That's marker. So, yeah, that's my apron. And everybody signed it. I'm so excited. Look at that. I mean, I'm going to cherish this. I actually have it hanging up on my wall. But yeah, see? Clean. Be clean like Kanella. Not a speck of paint. Super, super excited with how that event went. I mean, I can't wait till next year already. I mean, it was awesome being by the lake and just waking up and everything's so calm and serene and the birds are chirping. The evening boat rides were awesome. Hunter took me out on the jet ski. It was freaky, but I had a great time. I mean, it was awesome. It was so awesome. But yeah, next year, here we go. We're doing it again. And I'm already like, 10 spots sold. So super, super stoked. Niagara Falls is coming up in about a month from now. Niagara Falls on the Canadian side of the border. I have the 1-day class, but there's 3 classes to choose from. You can do the blowout, the bloom technique, resin, or do all 3. If you take more than 1 class, you get a discount. If you want information to come and see me in Niagara Falls, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. I only have about 5 spots left in each class. I'm almost full, guys. So if you are interested, do not delay. And if you're coming from the US, you can hop on over the border and fly into like Buffalo, New York, and then cross over the border and come and see me. All right, dried results of a couple of videos ago because I was gone. But look at this lilac purple. I love it. I love the lilac base. It dried perfectly. The whole painting dried perfectly. You can see the shimmer in there. I mean, this is a 12 by 16 inch canvas and it still needs resin, but aside from that, it is available to purchase if anyone is interested. All right, working on another 12 by 16. Michael's just had a massive sale, buy 1, get 2 free. And that's very rare in Canada. I know in the US you guys get that a lot, but in Canada it happens like once, maybe twice a year. And boy, when I tell you I stocked up, I got my 14 by 14s back. So I'll be getting those shipped to me soon. So, I mean, if you missed out on that sale, that is unfortunate. All right, let's get to today's painting. Since we did a lilac base, pastel base, I'm gonna go with a pinky pastel. So what I have here is a light rose by Amsterdam. It is an opaque, so light rose, but what I did was I lightened it up tremendously with titanium white by Amsterdam. So it's almost like a very, very pale pink, okay? And then the colors I'm using today are glowing peach by Arteza. And what that means, it's got like a hint of gold in it. So this is a new color, glowing peach by Arteza. Then I've got deep magenta by Artist Loft. I mean, I haven't used this color in years. I don't use Artist Loft, but this color just happens to go so well with this palette. And this is why I love my Lolivefe bottles, because the paint in there lasts for so long. I don't have to do anything to it to get it back up to fluidity or, you know, if it got too thick. Pearl Hot Pink by Arteza. Then we have a Quinacridone Rose Light by Amsterdam. We're gonna add a little bit of 24 karat gold by DecoArt. And then we have Permanent Magenta by Winsor Newton. And of course, I guess I need my hair dryer. Let's get that out. I'm a little, you know, out of the sorts. It's been so long since I painted. All right, Drew Barrymore's Flower Hair Dryer. You can get it on Amazon. You can check out my Amazon shop. Last I checked, it was back in stock. I mean, that was when I was at the retreat and I told all the ladies that the hair dryer's back in stock. I don't know if it's still in stock. I haven't checked it in a few days. But if you're looking for the hair dryer, it was in stock and it was $49.99. Way better than the $130 price tag on Canada Amazon. So if you are in Canada and you want to get it, you're better off buying it on the US Amazon, having it shipped over to Canada and paying the exchange rate. It just makes more sense. But anywho, if it's still in stock, I don't know if it is. All right, let me flood the canvas and I shall be right back. Okay, canvas flooded, bubbles have been popped with the torch. Let's get started. Again, same composition that I've been doing because I'm trying to keep the series the same. So I want to keep it, you know, consistent since this is the All About the Base series. I guess we could call this All About the Base series Pastels, since all the other colors and paintings I did were like super dark. bases, and now we're doing like pastel-y lights. So I guess we can call this part 2 of the All About the Base. And you see, that was the Artist Loft by Magenta, and there was no clumps or anything in it, and it went down smoothly. I mean, that paint's been in there for over 6 years, no joke. And it's perfectly fine in the bottles. You know, you always know you can get 10% off your Lolivefe products using code Kanella10. Again, links in the description below my videos, always. Anywho, I'm trying to adjust to, you know, the time zone difference. It was a 3-hour time difference, which was so hard on me. I was waking up at like 5 a.m., 4:30, 5 a.m. every day, because it's really, you know, 8 a.m. for me. So that was a little tough, the time zone, but I mean, it was all worth it. I can't wait. Is it next year yet? I mean, I don't want time to fly by, but I mean, I can't wait to see my girls. I can't wait to see the ladies come back and then have some new faces join us too. So I'm super stoked about that 10 of you are coming back to see me. We had such a good time. It was just so nice because after the classes, it's not like you go home or go back to your hotel room or anything like that. We got to stay, sit, hang out by the fire. We had happy hour. We had breakfast, lunch, and dinners together. I mean, we were together for 4 days straight. And the friendships that you create when you're with people all day, every day is just, I mean, the tears when everyone was saying goodbye. Yes, even me, believe it or not, was insane. Just, I miss everybody already. I do. Okay, let's blow this out. Let's get started. Love it! I'm not a pink fan. I'm really not. But the more I do pink pieces, the more I'm really starting to love pink. It's so pretty to me. And I mean, look how cute these are together. I mean, you see the matchy-matchy part? I mean, it's so cool. Now I'm wondering, because here we have negative space and negative space here. And then we have negative space. Oh, there's a floofer. I better get him out. There we go. So we have negative space here, but not here. And I'm wondering if I should create negative space or if I should just leave it. I think I might just leave it. We can create some there. Or not. A little bit here and a little bit there. I love it! Oh my gosh, the shimmer in this. I mean, the base looks like it's white, but it's not, obviously. Like, I mean, this is what white looks like. You can see the difference. But I love the pale pink. I'm so excited to do pales. Like, what should I do next? Like a minty green? What if I did a really pale green? Oh, that would be pretty. What else? I mean, let me know in the comments below what other minty colors I can do. Or not minty colors, pastel-y type colors. Okay, I'm going to fix my edges. I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. Alrighty, so before we get to the close-up, don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape those drips. I've already done the other 3 sides. Do all 4 sides, come back 10 minutes later and do it again. So let's check out the close-up. And it's funny because as I was touching on my edges, I got an email and I got another deposit for Niagara Falls, which means I just literally booked another 2 classes. So, and she's coming all the way from Philadelphia. Yeah, from Philly. So Corrine, if you're watching, I look forward to meeting you in July. So now I have 4 spots left in my classes. I've got people coming from everywhere. I have Ohio, Chicago, New Yorkers. There was one more, I can't remember. Chicago, New York, Virginia. I've got someone coming from Virginia and from Connecticut. I mean, you guys are awesome. Coming over the border to come see me. Can't wait. All right, let's turn the lights off and check out that shimmer. All right, lights are off, flash is on, shimmer has been activated. I mean, there's a lot of shimmer in here because obviously the 24K, the gold, but there is a lot of Arteza pearls in here as well. So, I mean, I cannot wait for this to dry. It's gonna look super pretty, super duper pretty. Look at that. I love it. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. Lots of shimmer. Lots of shimmer. And there you have it, my friends. I would love to know what you think about this in the comments below. Let me know what I should do next. Should I do like a minty green? A pale peachy orange? I don't know. Minty green? Maybe. Oh, what about a really, really pale yellow? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. And I'll see what gets the most votes and I'll go with that. But yeah, that's it. I mean, if you want to come see me in Niagara, you know what to do. Email me. If you want info and to be put on the waiting list, because that's what it is right now. It's a waiting list for Spokane, for Deer Lake, Washington next year. You got to email me and Billy will put you on the waiting list. And then once it goes public with the website and it goes live, and we'll let you know when that happens. But limited spots for that already. But yeah, that is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.